Coming to you guys with a short and sweet video. The topic of this is the most overused word that realtors use and why it's a red flag. Any guesses what it is? Before getting into it, my name is Sandusky. I'm a team leader of the Sandusky group here in Baton Rouge, Louisiana. We would love if you would just pound that subscribe button. It lets you know when something new is coming out, and we'd love to hear your feedback on what you want to hear most. But let's get into it. One of the most overused words coming from realtors, and is a huge red flag in my opinion, is the word now. Now is always used to express urgency. Now is when you need to put an offer in. Now is when you need to buy a house. Now is when you need to sell a house. And in my opinion, it's a huge red flag because it gives off commission breath. What is commission breath? That is when a realtor is often just using techniques to manipulate and again to express urgency because they want to get paid quick. They want to get paid now. They don't want to get paid months or even years down the road. They want you to make decisions now. Now, don't get me wrong, we are coming out of a market where, yes, you did have to act quick. You had to pull the trigger now. However, we're getting into a market, we're shifting a little bit to where you have a little more time to breathe. You have a little more time to think. However, if you have a realtor that's still expressing now, you may have to evaluate if that realtor has your best interest in mind. Is now a good time for you to buy? Is now a good time for you to sell? Maybe. Our answer here at the Sandusky Group will always depend on your specific situation. So if you're looking to buy, we want to sit down and talk to you about your alternatives, see what the best route is for you. Now, yes, it is a really heavy seller's market, but is the time now for you to sell? Maybe. We'd love to meet and chat about your specific situation to see if now really is the time. You should be using your realtor because you do trust them. And yes, occasionally we will have to use the word now. But if you're using a realtor you trust, you know that your best interest is still at hand. I've been in the business 11 years now, and whether the interest rate is 2% or 10%, there are always realtors expressing now is the time to buy. Same with sellers. No matter the month supply of inventory, they're always expressing sellers, it's time to sell now. Do your vetting, know your agent, trust your agent so that when you do hear the word now, you actually believe them. Commission breath is something you will never smell, that sounds really weird, with the Sandusky Group. So if you're thinking about buying, if you're thinking about selling, reach out to us and we'd love to dig into your specific situation and your circumstances to see if now really is the time for you. That said, short and sweet. Thanks so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, leave some feedback, and we'll see you next time. Thanks so much for watching our video. Our goal is to provide as much value to you as possible. Make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and all that stuff. Check out our other videos. And here's 2 options for you. Go check them out.